Okay, here we are with another video with Clearly Windows. We're working at a house in Tacoma. We're washing windows. This is the house that we're doing. Can't really see it that well, but just a modest two-story house with screens. Got Abby in the back. I'm gonna go get a little bit of video of her in just a second, but just a standard window cleaning job, nothing seriously fancy, but these windows are gonna look so nice. All right, so I found Abby back here. She's got this large picture window that she's taking care of right now. She's using a white Brillo pad to get off any of the bug gunk and stuff like that. We use steel wool or the white pad so we don't scratch the window with a scraper blade. And so she wet the window just a second ago, and then she's gonna wipe all the big spider poop, bird poop, anything like that off, and then she'll wash the window. Get some of this technique. Oh, she's a pro. Look at that. Excellent. Good work. Okay, so what she'll do with that blue towel is she's wiping along the window frames, and then she'll wipe this bottom frame. And that window is perfect. Attention to detail right there. That's one of the things that we do. Okay, here we are. We're done with this this job here in Tacoma. We just did the windows inside and outside, got all the screens washed, and this job took us about 2.5 hours, and just making clients happy. So if you're in the Tacoma area, in the University Place area, Fircrest, anywhere in the South Puget Sound, we're going to take care of. So if you need window cleaning, pressure washing, gutter cleaning, soft wash, all of those things, we'd love to help you out. So again, this is Shawn with Clearly Windows. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.